Hi, I'm Liz Beavers with Graphic Solutions Group, and what I want to show you today is something new from Isacord. Isacord now has come out with magnetic bobbins, and these are called the Ultra Mags. What really makes this bobbin great is you get 144 per box opposed to 100 per box in the competitor brand, plus 10 extra yards of bobbin per each bobbin. So what's really neat is some of these magnetic bobbins that you see on the market have a magnetic side on one side and the other, but these are paperless, and the magnet is right here in this cord, just like the competitor, but these are just dynamic. I've been sewing with these for a while, and they actually are great bobbins. Why a magnetic bobbin? When you use a paper-sided bobbin, when the bobbin is halfway through, inside the bobbin case, it's gonna have a little bit of bounce in it, causing the bobbin thread to kind of show on top. So when you start seeing white embroidery thread, or bobbin thread I should say, on the top, chances are your bobbin's gotten loose because it's halfway gone and it's bouncing. With the magnetic bobbin, when it's halfway gone, this magnet holds the tension inside the bobbin case, preventing any bouncing. So you're not gonna get the white on top. The other neat thing, keeps consistent bobbin. You're gonna use the whole bobbin. A lot of times on paper-sided, I'm not quite finished, but I need to just go ahead and replace it because it still has bounce even though I've adjusted it. So magnetic bobbins, these are fantastic. New from Isacord, it is called the Ultra Mags. So enjoy, thank you for watching, and be sure to order your Isacord Magna-glides today.